have a look in Brett's bag.
What do you got in there?
Well,
this is the big Rubik's bag.
This is the big Rubik's go. Big Rubik's gear bag.
Yeah.
Big Rubik's car bag.
Yeah.
Do you know what I actually had in here that I was quite surprised about last weekend?
A small animal?
The Victory MT. Well, practically, the Victory MT monster truck
fit in there.
was in here.
Yeah.
I had to take
the wheels.
I had to take the wheels off, but the wheels were in here with it.
They were.
But I took it off just to reduce the width.
How good was it?
Because I do love carrying my RC cars around in this because it keeps them safe.
Yeah.
What have I got in here?
We're going overhead.
Can you go to overhead? What have we got in there, Beach?
Varieties of stuff.
Varieties.
Yeah, coloured plastic.
We'll call it a mixed bag. Mixed bag of Brett lollies, please.
All right. All right, you got some.
We had a HB Racing shipment.
Yes.
Come in late last week.
Yep.
After
okay,
the show
so the
Friday.
very, very popular wings.
Very, very popular wings. So whether you race 1/8 buggy, truggy, whether it's a AE, a X-ray, whatever it is, a Mugen, everybody raves about the HB wings.
Yep.
They're really good. They're really robust.
Yep.
They're really well priced, and they're good looking and effective.
Yes.
Most people will put the wing on and drill all holes in them anyway. So the wing,
Yep.
but they are quite robust and they're very well made, which is a huge plus.
So
because,
let's put it on any brand, and they've got some
I want
guide holes.
I want to say yes. Well, these guide holes are for the HB wing plates, but
Yep.
yeah, they do have dimples on there, so you can get your forward and back sort of adjustment on them.
Well, you can put lines through here and then just space it out depending on which car it's going to fit on.
Exactly.
Very easy to measure out.
It's very easy to measure out.
Yep.
There's no cutting or pasting, and
Yep.
it does have a screw-on gurney flap on the back.
Gurney.
Yep, which is really good.
Who's that named after?
I've never met Gurney, but Arthur Gurney.
Hey?
Arthur Gurney.
No.
Full Gurney.
You know, the driver of the GT40.
I don't.
He created the gurney flap.
There you go.
That was named after him.
You are just full of brilliant information today.
Yep. Whether or not it's true, I don't know.
Boom.
Oh.
While we're on 1/8, we also had a Dash Arrowmax shipment land this week. And for that, really thankful to have in the Max R-Tune range of motors.
Mhm.
These are for 8 scale. So we do have the 1900s, 2150s, and
Yep.
2400 kV motors back in stock.
Mm.
These are really cool. One of the local fast guys, Tommy Huggins, has got these screwed into his Hearns exclusive build.
Yep.
He loves it and he's fast.
Yep.
I still do donuts, but you know what? It doesn't matter.
I like eating donuts.
That's really cool. You do.
What's that there? What's that?
This is something so simple, so effective, and so popular.
That's a super fine one.
We didn't have this one. I'll be honest, we didn't have this one for like 3 months.
Mm.
This is an Arrowmax ride height gauge.
Yep.
Now let's get in there tight like a tiger.
So that's for some really low stuff, right?
Oh, no. Well, that goes from 2.1 mil to 8 mil. Well,
Oh,
probably
8
2
mil.
mil.
Okay, so any sort of on-road.
Yeah, pretty much any, whether it's 12th scale pan car,
Yep.
10th scale touring.
Yep.
This is your measuring tool.
What are the increments? 0.2.
So we've got 0.2. I've got even numbers on one side.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 2, 4, 6, 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then if you flip them on over, you got the odd numbers.
Okay, so it
So
does
you
a
can-
full 0.1 increments.
You can measure your car accurately
Wow.
to 0.1 of a mil.
Wow.
You know, I basically just use a piece of bread, but these guys, who are the fast guys, 0.1 of a mil increment.
Wow. You got some really consistent bread, haven't you?
Not really. That's why my cars are set up so good. So this is the AM 171019.
Yep. Ultra fine.
Yeah, ultra fine. Super happy to have these back in.
Beautiful.
Now, come out a bit.
What are these
Because
things?
this is a bundle. We have launched a bundle.
A new bundle.
4 things in this bundle.
Okay. So what?
Sweet Tendroids.
Yeah.
They've just oiled our local track.
Yes.
Halo. These will be perfect. It's the right time of year and it's the perfect conditions to get yourself on these Tendroids.
Okay.
If you get 3 pairs of Tendroids,
Yeah.
online, this is online, 3
Yep.
pairs of Tendroids, you will get a free bottle of TDK high grip tire sauce. And this
That works
phenomenal.
really well.
That works phenomenal. That is by far the favorite tire sauce out there and on off-road tires.
And really important too is non-carcinogenic.
It's safe, it's
Yep.
non-toxic, and it's biodegradable.
So non-toxic, biodegradable tire sauce.
Yeah. which is really good. And that, to me, that's the way all tyre sources should be going.
Well, that's right.
And any responsible club who's got an event really needs to be looking at this stuff.
Yeah.
It's almost a duty of care by the club that they stipulate that you have MSDS available.
Yeah.
And for this product, it's public knowledge.
Mm.
They don't care. You can know what's in there. It's how you put it together. So I know that other manufacturers, they don't like to give it because they don't want to tell you what's in their tyre source.
Yeah.
This one, it's all available.
Yep.
And it's all safe.
Yes.
So
Yeah, great deal.
3 packets of tyres,
Yep.
free goop.
Yep.
Super cool.
Very nice.
Yep. And that's all for Brett's bag this week.
Lots of little bitty good stuff.
What?
All little bitty.
Yeah, well, this is the stuff that can make your day. You know, you don't always have to spend thousands of dollars at once.
No.
But when you're racing or competing, like I said, if you want to freshen up your 8-scale buggy, you put a new wing on it. Makes a world of difference. If you want to go and burn some rubber, if you want fresh tyres, you've got three sets of tyres and some goop.
That's it.
Bits and pieces.
That's it.
And if you're just looking for something to really, the hand is the most utilised setup tool for on-road. It's the little right height gauge.
That's really nice. I like that. I would get one just to put it on.